welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to set size for your elements. Size is incredibly important for all the elements that you will use in Titan Web, so it's very important to know where to set it. And I'm going to display a bunch of different examples here. Let's say I take a button. How do I set a size? Well, I click on the style icon and you have size. Now you can adjust it. You can say width needs to be 500 and height needs to be 500, 600, and look how big it is right now. Yeah, and then again you can go back to a bit more normality here like this. So that's how you can adjust the size, and it really depends where you find that per element, but it's in the size. So let's take something like let's take a tab, for example. These are tabs. Click on the gear icon, sorry, not the gear, the style icon, and then you've got size available for almost very different attributes to those tabs. So here you can see the width is 350, but if I go 500, that's the width. So if I increase the height, it's the height, okay? And then tab button, let's say I go size 500, and then height 500 as well. It becomes huge. Something like that becomes 100, and now it looks like that. Alright, so size is available everywhere. You can click on shapes. You can increase the size of this shape without having to make it bigger. You click on the style icon like this and you have size available, and now you can say, you know what, I want this to be 100 width and I want this to be 100 height. A really quick way of just setting all this up here. Where else I can show you? I can show you in the input fields. That's another place that you'll definitely be using. So let's say I drag over this text area and I click on the style icon. Let me just close all of this quickly. And then on the input or the root is where you have the size available. You can say, you know what, I want this to be 500 in width. And then on the input and the label, or wherever you look, and if there's size available, you know what to do. You can change the size of it if you wish. So that's another place. Where else can I show you? Let's say if you would drag over a chart or something. This one I'll have to quickly configure, so I'm just going to quickly just next. Again, this is my chart. I click on the style icon. Again, size is available. I can change the width, I can change the height to make it fit my website. So that is the size overview for you. Every element that you drag over or a component, you will, when you click on the style icon, you will have size available, and you will have it available throughout many different attributes per element. So it's really important that not one place you'll find the size, you can find it multiple places, and you can always adjust the width and height available. And yeah, and you've got a lot of other functionality as well. We'll cover those in separate videos, but that's that's size for you in Titan Web.